Now you find me today in a lovely multi-storey car park somewhere near Didcot, but I'm not quite sure what I'm doing here. Let's see if we can get some help. This fine gentleman. Hello, sir. Where am I?
Oh, hello, Steve. It's a pleasure seeing you here. What a surprise. Well, you find us in Didcot. We're about to go to Didcot Railway Centre. I think we're both rather excited because Steve's about to see his first Western engine. We're going to the Pendennis Castle launch event. It is Sunday the 3rd of April. Yeah, we're going to go and see Pendennis Castle and some other Great Western steam locos on the railway centre at Didcot.
That's very helpful. Off we go.
Let's go.
Now, Joe, you didn't explain to me that we're going to have to climb 20,000 steps to get to this place.
I know, I've failed again, haven't I?
Yeah, completely. Right, looks lovely. All right. Right, come on.
Question I've got is, I want 3 million photos with it, please.
Yes. So.
How about that, then, Steve? Happy?
I can do that. Yes.
Excellent.
Go back and then see what happens. Yeah. Right, let's do that then. Yeah, so how are we doing so far then, Joe?
I think we're doing quite well, Steve. We've done a run with Pendennis, which is over there, and we're now going back that way.
On something else.
And we could probably have walked it faster, but that's not part of the fun, is it?
No, it's not. That's not what we came for. Yeah, that's good.
Fairly quiet. We'll go this way. I'm getting very excited because it's the first time I've seen one. As everybody possibly knows, I'm a bit of a Great Western fan, and behind me is King Edward II 6023, and how good does it look? And Steve, how great is it to see a loco this close up?
It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic, and it's a lovely, lovely loco, isn't it?
West is best. So we're now in the shed, which is very exciting. This here, 2999, is 2999 Lady of Legend, which is all grand and beautiful, and admittedly it is, but there's a slight thing in the tail in that this is a new build, or a new build. Nobody thought to preserve one of the original Saint classes, so somebody went, well, I know, let's build one. Here it is.
And what a good idea that was.
How lovely is it?
Yeah, beautiful.
I'm in Western heaven.
Yeah, absolutely. Look at this little thing here. Bonnie Prince Charlie. Now don't fall down this hole.
Now, Steve.
Yes.
You're about to go down the demonstration line again with Pendennis. Are you enjoying yourself so far?
Well, I was until this bloke appeared out of the carriage and got him away. But otherwise, it's been a fantastic day. So, is this your dream come true, Joe.
It's nearly as nice as Plum.
Oh, right, yeah.
Well, Steve, what a wonderful day. Fantastic, really, wasn't it? To see Great Western traction in action.
Is that the Great West? The
Great Western. And West is best, as I keep repeating.
Yeah.
But how good was it to see Pendennis in action?
And to get on the footplate as well.
And to have a look on the footplate.
Yeah. Absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
And we're about to be drowned out
by the sound of a Western engine.
One of the finest sounds in the whole world, I think.
I think so.
That.
Yeah.
In fact, we'll listen and enjoy it.
We'll listen and enjoy it. Yes.
Oh.
Well, they keep doing that. So from us, please remember to like, subscribe and comment in our video. We hope you've enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. And we won't say bye, as we normally do, until this lovely engine has passed us by. Yes, in the middle of us. Look at that for a bit of...
You're sure we're not stepping it on the track?
Yeah.
Oh, right. It's gone through my ear.
Yes, there you are.
Lovely. And on that happy note,
bye. Thank you very much for watching.